Now that we have seen the algorithm and pseudocode that is involved in merge sorting algorithm, let's go ahead and write the Java based implementation. For that, I am going to the project that we have created. Inside the sorting package, I will create a new class called merge sort, and I will add the main method also in it, and I'll simply click on finish. Okay, now it has added main method also. As part of the previous implementation, we have done this merging of two sorted arrays, right? I will simply copy paste this function into, or else we don't have to copy paste. We will simply try to call the same function into merge sort array. Okay, otherwise if you want to just copy paste also, you can copy paste that function inside this class and you can use it. But it's good to reuse the code that we have already written, right? So I will reuse the same function. For implementing the merge sort, what I will do is I will do public static integer array, let's say merge sort. It will take an integer array A. Now, so as part of the algorithm that we have discussed, we will divide the array into two halves till it has only one value. So the first condition will be if a dot length is equal to 1, we will simply return the array, because when the array has only one element, it itself is sorted. So we will simply return A. Okay. If this is not the case, that means if the array has more values in it, what we will do, we will try to divide it into two halves. How will we divide? We will simply calculate the middle index, int middle index equal to a dot length divided by 2. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to call the same function recursively from 0 till the middle index. So let's say I will call same merge sort arrays dot copy of this original array is A, starting index is 0 and middle index is the middle one. So here this is a utility function that we will get inside the Java, where arrays is nothing but from java.utils package we will get copy of range, means from array A, whatever the array that we have got, from 0 till middle index, try to copy the values. Okay, that's what it is saying. Now the same function will again internally call the merge sort function if the array has more than one value, right? Eventually it will merge the resulting array and it will return the sorted merged array. Let's take that result into left sorted array. Okay, now we have sorted the left half of the array. We need to sort the right half of the array also, right? For that, let's just copy this function and let's say the result will be right sorted array, and we need to copy the values from middle index till the end. That is nothing but middle index, starting value will be middle index, end will be a dot length. Okay, now we have both left sorted array and right sorted array. Now all we have to do is we will have to use the merge functionality to merge these two sorted arrays. How will we do? We have already written the merge functionality in this merge two sorted arrays class, right? We will simply call the merge function here. So what we will do, merge two sorted arrays dot merge two sorted arrays. This is a class name, this is a function. Because it is a static function, we will have to use class name dot function name. Here we'll need to pass the two sorted arrays, which is nothing but left sorted array and right sorted array. Okay, we will need to return the sorted array, right? So I'm simply putting a return statement before it. Okay, that's all we have to do here. The entire array will be sorted. Okay, what we essentially did, if the array whatever we have passed has only one value, we are simply returning that, because the array which has value only one value in it is already sorted itself. Eventually that means that left sub array and right sub array will have arrays containing only one value in it. Ultimately we will merge them, creating the sorted arrays which has more length. Eventually in the end we will get the array which has sorted values in it. Okay, now let's try to call this function and try to evaluate the result. Let's say integer array that I want to sort is, let's say 10 minus 20, 3, 1 minus 10, let's say 23, 1, or anything. Even the array can have duplicates also, right? Now we will have to call this merge sort function. Let's say merge sort of A. Okay, and it will sort and it will return the sorted array in the end, right? So let's say that is sorted array equal to. Now let's try to print for int, sorry, caps lock is on, int I equal to 0, I equal to 0, I less than sorted array dot length I plus plus sys out sorted array of I. Right click, run as Java application. Okay, do you see minus 20, minus 10, 1, 1, 3, 10 and 23. Okay, we have successfully sorted the array, whatever we have been given. This is how we actually sort the array using merge sorting algorithm. What we exactly did, you need to understand the recursion concept very well to understand the merge sort. We are trying to divide the array into two halves till we reach a point where we have only one value left in it. In that case, the left sub array will have only one value in the beginning and the right sub array will have only one value, and eventually we merge those two to have a sub array which will contain two sorted values. Since we are calling the same function recursively, right, this will call the parent recursive call that has been made. Eventually we will merge all such sorted arrays to get the sorted array in the end. This is how we actually implement the merge sorting algorithm. I will see you in the next one.